Okay, we're going to do a short video on changing the rates and prices inside of TaxWise and see if this short video works. If it does, then we will use this Zoom program to record videos more often. I've been using a bootleg program up until now, and if this actually works, then I'll be super excited to be able to use Zoom going forward. So when you come right into TaxWise, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and come into your general settings. Okay, once you have all the information inside the general settings that you need, then you know you're okay. That's the kind of stuff that really needs to be in there first. But also the way to make the template work for the prices is to go to return templates. So you want to go to settings and you want to go to return templates. So we have our main template here. You can create as many templates as you want and name it whatever you want. But this return template is going to determine how the pricing is treated, what forms pop up and which ones don't. So I'm going to go in here and I'll show you what we set inside of the system. And if you need help doing yours, let me know so we can set up a one-on-one to set up your pricing. So what you want to do is come on down here and you see you're going to have to publish and save the changes when we're done with this. Okay, so let's go down to the price sheet. Price is there because we've already told it to be there, but if we didn't want a price sheet to be there, you can click this X and it'll go away. If you want a W-2 to be in your forms, and you double click here or add the plus sign and add a W-2. But right here for the pricing, if you want to do pricing by form, then you can feel free to go ahead and hit these numbers here. Anything over here you want to add by form, you can do that. My suggestion is not to do that. I do not do that. I go straight to the bottom and I do my fees based on flat rate fees. Pretty much my fees are flat rate. What we're looking at here is the bank fee, which is whatever your bank fees that you negotiated is going to be there. This protection plus is going to be how much we're going to mark up the protection plus fee. Okay, because the protection plus fee is I think $49.99. So if you add another $49.99 to it, it's going to be $99. Or you could only add $25 to yours and make it a total price of about $75. Self-employment, married, head of household, we charge $300 standard for those returns. Single, 1040 easy. What I suggest is use this section here all the way at the bottom right-hand corner, and you put in your main sections. So when your people are doing a tax return, what you want to do is, if it's married, head of household, then you want to go ahead and come here. You want to go ahead and put a 1 right there. Okay, and it's going to add this price. It's going to add the price to it when you're doing a tax return. So instead of it just showing up as the price just showing up as whatever it was, it's going to add up for you. So at the bottom, the total price, the total fees will keep adding up here. So you put a 1 right there, but that's when you're doing a return. Now, if you want it to automatically just put a 1 here, then because we're in the template section, I'll put a 1 right here. It's going to automatically go straight to married / head of household, which is the majority of our tax returns. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Save Changes, and then we're going to click Publish. Okay. Now with these templates, you get to decide who's going to use those templates, because you may have one group of people using one template and a set of prices and types of tax returns with types of forms, and you may have another group doing it different. So I'm going to say select all and assign. So I'll just assign that to all of my people. So that was just a quick video on pricing and how to set up templates. You can do a lot more with this, but this was just a test to see how the video was going to go. And I look forward to seeing you guys doing a one-on-one with each one of you to help make sure that your business is successful. So don't forget the new website, www.gbctaxpros.com. gbcfinancial.com is the black website. It's still up. We'll leave it up for a while. And www.gbctaxpros.com. That's the white website. That's the brand new one with the agent portals and the client user portals. So talk to you soon.